I'm legitimately amazed of how my hair looks right now. Like, bro, look at that, bro. Guys, I'm actually really excited for today's video because I finally get to take my hair out of this hairstyle. But let's run it back. Exactly 2 weeks ago, I went to the loctician for the very first time and I got my hair detoxed, washed, dried, retwisted, and put into a hairstyle, which is 4 barrel twist back, just like this. I love the way that it looks. Now, how much did it cost to actually get my hair done? I felt like it was very reasonable considering all the work that she did. I paid $200 total for everything. A lot of people were like, yo, I feel like that's a lot of money. And for it to hold up this well for this long period of time, I think is awesome. Fast forward to today, I actually washed my hair today in this hairstyle. And you can hardly even tell, like the frizz is still pretty well maintained. This is kind of the frizz that has just developed over time. If I would wash my hair sooner, you probably wouldn't even notice any of the frizz. So I think it's an overall great hairstyle. I'm really itching to see what it's gonna look like outside of this hairstyle though, because I haven't had my hair like that in half a month. But if you do want to see me wash my hair in this hairstyle, you can check that video out on my channel. To wash my hair, I did use the ACV shampoo from Dreadlocks, and I also used the Dreadlocks hair growth oil to follow it up to moisturize and hydrate my scalp and the hair. Any products I mentioned in today's video are going to be linked down below, which I think those are the only ones that I'm going to be mentioning because now I'm just going to be doing the twist out on my hair, or just the braid out or the barrel twist out. Undoing my hair out of the hairstyle is what I'm going to be doing. But it's been an awesome journey. I'm looking forward to do the next hairstyle. I've been wanting to do 2-strand twists, so I think that's going to be my next hairstyle that I will be doing. I haven't personally done my own hair in a while just because I have 150 dreadlocks. That's a lot of locks. And I have actually been contemplating combining them. I know you guys are going to flame me in the comment section saying, yo, you separated them for a reason. I'm just in a stage where like I'm almost feeling thicker locks a little bit more. Enough of me talking. Let's get rid of these, man. Let's take this hairstyle out. My hair is still a little damp and man, I'm just really excited to see what this looks like. Let's speed on through this and see what my hair looks like. I'm hoping that all the twist held up very well. Bro, am I even going to be able to take this rubber band out or what? One thing I am hoping that happened is my hair matured more being in this hairstyle. I know 2-strand twist really helps mature the hair because it holds it so well. So I'm hoping that the barrel twist does the same thing. There we go. Let's take all the rubber bands out first. I guess while I'm doing this, I will announce that all of the locking gel, ACV shampoo, and the hair growth oil are all back in stock on Dreadlocks.com. They were out of stock for like 15 days. So now we're back in stock. Guys, make sure to get it now because inevitably there's always people that will say, when's the locking gel going to be back in stock? Right when it sells out. It's just because you guys got to get there quick. You know what I mean? I am going to be sending out an email today to those that are subscribed to the newsletter and they'll actually get 10% off on all the products. So if you're not already on the newsletter, bro, join the newsletter. There's a lot of perks that come with that because you can actually have personal access to me to help you with your lock journey. And we are still currently setting that up to how you guys can access me directly. Join the newsletter, you can get info on how that's going to be. And you also will be the first to know about special offers all the way up to 75% off. Now I can finally take this hairstyle out. Let's get it. Down here, it's just all kind of combined. I'm gonna have to separate the tip a little bit. Yo, look how thick this thing is though. Like how cool would it be to have like a big dreadlock like that? And I've seen people that have gotten barrel twists and they've just left them in to the point to where they lock up altogether. Oh yeah, finally I get to see my tips. Oh, there's a rubber band on this one too. There is a way to actually have it to where the tips run free versus being tied up like this, which I didn't want that. I wanted like the full experience of the barrel twist, man. Oh my goodness, that feels so good. Look how much more hang time that has versus being in the barrel twist. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take all of the hang time out so that we can see what that looks like, and then I'll take out the rest because look at this difference, bro. Like what? I forgot how long my hair actually was. Sheesh. Look at that. Like when the hair just loosens up, feels so good. Bro, my hair smells so good too. Cause like for a while, it was kind of smelly. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't wash it for 2 weeks. It's kind of cool. It would obviously be tied up in the back, but pretty nice. All right, now it's time for the top. I'm just super excited to see what this looks like. Oh, it just feels so good to finally just like have it free. Bro, my hair is so long. Look at that. Yo, what's up with people saying that my hair is not dreadlocks? Like, I don't get that comment. Like, how is my hair not dreadlocks? I don't get it. Someone help me. Are they just trolling me or what? Like these, like they look like dreadlocks to me. Like, aren't they dreadlocks? There are like certain parts under the braids to where like they're just so itchy. And now that I have access to under that braid, bro, oh my gosh. All right, I just got one more. As I'm doing this one, I want to tell you guys my plan for like my hair washing schedule. I want to start washing my hair a lot more. And the reason being is because like if you look at my locks, like yeah, they're developed nicely, but washing my hair more is really going to blunt off all the tips to make it not as frizzy, and it's going to take care of all this frizz. Now the sacrifice I'm making is that I'm going to have to maintain my hair more frequently. Either that or my actual roots are going to start to grow out a lot, and they have the potential risk of actually combining down by the root and then having to do separation more often as well. So it's going to be more maintenance, more washing. But I just want to kind of speed up the process of my hair actually maintaining its own self, and washing the hair is going to really do that. Because what happens when washing the hair, when you wash it, your hair not only becomes clean and it becomes dry, but it becomes curly. For example, if you have curly hair and you wash your hair, the curls are shown more as the hair dries. So the more you wash your hair, the more your curl pattern will show, and the more curl pattern your hair shows, the easier it's going to lock up. See, because as your hair, say you wash your hair and the curls become tight, as time progresses, the curls loosen up a little bit and get comfortable. But the more you wash it, it's going to tighten and then loosen. And that's how the hair becomes tighter and becomes more of a lock. It's called expansion and contraction. And that is it. That's all of them. And look at my separation, still looks really good. Oh, the back of my neck. Bro, but look at my locks. Like, how are people saying that these are not dreadlocks, man? I think people just have something to say, man. Like, people will be like, oh, you just got curly hair that's matted together. And like, nah, bro, these are locks. Golly, these look clean, bro. I'm really him right now. Yeah, I'm really stoked on how this look. Bro, I keep looking, because I have my monitor right here, right? Like, I'm looking at my hair. Bro, my hair looks so fire right now, bro. And you gotta be stoked on your own hair. Like, my hair looks so clean. Like, obviously, like this down here by the tips, like that's gonna be taken care of when I wash my hair. Like, I understand you guys when you talk about this, but this is a bud. This is what my hair type looks like in a bud. Meaning that this is right before it locks up and looks like, let me find something that's blunted. Like this. Like this is blunted, right? This dreadlock used to look like this. This is just two different stages of the blunt. But bro, I'm feeling good with this right now, bro. Like, I'm looking nice. I really like the way my hair looks, guys. I do, I really do. Let me give you guys a quick little 360 of what the hair is looking like. Give you guys some close-ups. Bro, and look at how much more cleaner my hair looks, bro. And that shine with the hair growth oil that I added in. If you guys didn't see that process of me washing my hair and adding in the hair growth oil in the hairstyle, bro, if I were to just literally take the hairstyle out before washing it, it would look so crusty because of all the flakes and the dry gel and everything, bro. Man, look at that, bro. Look at that. I'm legitimately amazed of how my hair looks right now. Like, bro, look at that, bro. That's crazy. Like, super uniform now. This is legitimately the biggest reason why you should do hairstyles, especially like barrel twist and two-strand twist and just anything that's going to uniformize your hair. But bro, look at that. I think one of the main things I'm really excited for now that my hair is down is to pull it up and try different like pulling up hairstyles, quote unquote. But bro, I'm so stoked. My hair looks good. Like I said, my next main hairstyle is a two-strand twist, most likely. But I'm just going to be pulling my hair up normally like I usually do. I'm not going to pull my hair up as often as I used to though. Because before I would literally pull my hair up and keep it in the bun for like an entire week. So I'm not going to do that anymore because then that creates too much combination down by the roots. But there are a few things that I am going to be doing. I'm going to wash my hair more frequently. I would like to do it at minimum twice a week. And then, I mean, I could do it as much as once a day if I would like. So washing my hair twice a week at minimum. Number 2 is going to a loctician more frequently. Number 3 is, I don't think there was number 3. Oh, yeah. Number 3 is pulling my hair up, not as frequently, but still pulling my hair up. But bro, I'm so stoked on how it looks. Comment down below your thoughts on my hair, and also if you have any questions for your dreadlocks, I'm doing a weekly video to where I answer you guys' questions. I think I'm gonna call it like Sub Saturday, to where I'm answering your guys' questions and focusing mostly on my subscribers. It could be also reviewing your guys' locks. I know I do that on Great Locks, but this is going to be more specific and more laid back, just dealing with you guys directly. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to connect with me directly, make sure to join the Great Locks newsletter. Click the link down below that says join the newsletter, and you'll be added to that group, and you'll get info on how you can contact me directly. Like I said, we're still setting all that up, so just be patient with us. But yeah, guys, I'm feeling good. I'm super glad that I took my hair down. If you guys didn't see the video of me getting my hair done or me washing my hair, you can check those out there on the channel. I also did a video comparing the worst loctician versus best loctician. I think you guys will think it's funny. It's on the channel as well. But yeah, the next goal for me is really just to maintain these tips, because the tips are what makes my hair not look like dreadlocks, like a lot of you guys are saying. But I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.